Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be showing you how to not only set up a Wi-Fi hotspot with your phone, but also how to hide it while you're out in public. First, let's talk about what a Wi-Fi hotspot is. It's a physical location or device that provides wireless internet access or Wi-Fi to other nearby devices by sharing their cellular or wired internet connection. So let's take a look at how we can do this with a Samsung phone. So I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go to connections, come down to mobile hotspot and tethering. And then if I try to hit mobile hotspot and it's not working, you'll see that this part down here, it says turn off data saver mode to use mobile hotspot and tethering. So I'll just jump out and look for data saver. Turn that off. Go back to mobile hotspot and tethering. There's your option. You can change the network name. Okay, give it a good password. All right, and then I'm gonna get down here. Once you have that all set up, go to advanced. This is to hide the Wi-Fi if you're out in public. So right here, you'll see that this first option at the bottom says your mobile hotspot's name won't appear in a list of available Wi-Fi networks. So if someone is looking for a Wi-Fi network, say you're out in a coffee shop and you don't do this, they can see your network and maybe try to break in, right? So this is a way to hide it. And that is our quick tip for the day. If you have any questions, leave it on down below.